afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for January 7th, 2016. It's 3:36 p.m. as you see, about 24 minutes before the bell. Let me just show you, when we post on the Simpler Stocks forum, I want to show you a post from yesterday, and this is what people are getting on the premium site. Is I do a thing, and I'll show you, called Chart Ideas. So I have this here, is Chart Ideas. We have a chat room now, like you know, from 7:30 to 9 in the morning we have it open, and I talk live for about a half hour to 45 minutes. We have premium videos. That's the premium video you sign up for, similar to the free but a lot more specific and intensive. We have the forum where people can post things. Every month we've had a meetup, but now that we have the chat room, I'm not sure we need to do that. We have a learning center where there'll be guides to my type of trading, and then we have Chart Ideas. And the reason I mentioned Chart Ideas, I want you to see this one. I go through it. I do index and futures charts usually at night. I have longer ideas that are more swing trades. Lately I've been saying most of my swing trades I've wanted short, which have worked out. I have shorter term ideas and unusual option activity. What I want to show you is this one from yesterday. Here's index and futures charts. Here's the line in the sand. And I want everybody to see this. Is look what I said here. Keep these two charts handy. A break of this trend line could get really nasty. I'm going to expand this because when you click on it, it gets bigger. So I want you to see this, and this is what I posted intraday yesterday right here. This was at 2 o'clock, 2:04 p.m. Eastern. Now I want you to take that off, and like I said, I post intermittently during the day, show some unusual option activity, and I show the futures, and then I have a lot of charts at night. Check out what the index did today. Now, one is, I'll make this a little bigger so you could see it to get an idea what I'm talking about in here. There. I was saying this is the line in the sand, 2000, and I said it could get nasty. So now I want you to see what happened today on a 15-minute when it broke it. That's way back here. 2010. It's now 1983, and it was a lot lower. So that worked great. Want to see another one? So we have a market today down 261 points. Here's another one right from our chat room. When I go to home in here, and I'm going to show you, this is just real time what I did in here. Here's Chart Ideas. Here's unusual option activity. And I want you to see yesterday at 2:20 p.m. Eastern, I put in big bullish action in Time Warner and said someone is buying a huge call spread in Time Warner and selling the April puts to pay for it. This is an aggressively bullish strategy. I showed the time and sales. I showed the options that were trading in it, and I showed a chart. Why am I showing this? Look at Time Warner today. We're in a market now, you have to note, that's down 260 points. What's the best performing stock today? Time Warner. Up almost 5% today. So I posted, just so you know, right there. Today it's here. That's the value of getting these forums and getting these charts emailed to you and getting alerts like when I see unusual option activity. So I'm hoping I'm bringing a lot of value into that. I just wanted to show you that real quick. Just so you know what's going on today is basically we got the breakdown I've been talking about, and the worst part is I'm not sure it's over yet. Let me show you what I'm talking about in here. Take the ESs and take a daily chart. And as you see, we're just at the support area, and support is an area, and that's here. What bothers me and really bothers me in here is unlink this, and I want you to see a couple of things. First, before I show you that, let me show you what's going on right now. Futures down 28, NASDAQ down 47, Russell down 15. This is what bugs me. Transport's down 136. Bonds way up, showing a flight to quality up a 127. And the Nikkei almost on its low, down 415. Now I'll show you what troubles me. Look at the ESs on the left, and then look at the transports on the right. Usually what you get when you get this kind of Dow theory sell signal is you get the ESs on their way down, like momentum down. you get the transports to start stabilizing going up, and then you get a positive divergence. Right now we're getting completely the opposite, that the transports keep going down and the SPX keeps holding up. This is a very troubling thing. To put this on a daily chart, and I'll take off the indexes on the left so you can see it better, put up the SPX, it's just easier to see, and then put up the Dow Jones transports on a daily. Notice where the transports are relative to their August low. Look where the SPX is relative to its August low. That's like the SPX would have to go down at least 130 points just to touch the low. The transports are way below it. That's a very, very troubling sign. Does that mean we go straight down? No, absolutely not. So you see today we have the ES is actually having a little bounce now. All I'm talking about is when you see these type of divergences, and you look at the Nikkei here, almost on its low for the day, trying to approach those September, August, October lows right in this area, it makes it real tough for me to think the SPX is going to have some gigantic rally. So what we're going to talk about specifically on the Simpler Options Premium site tonight is we're going to talk about specific stocks, all of the FANG stocks, about the Facebook, the Amazon, the Netflix, the Google. Amazon's had quite a range today. We're going to go in the implications of that, and I'm going to throw in a couple of ideas for unusual option activity just in case we find another one like Time Warner. So I hope this helps everybody. Have a great night. I will talk to you tomorrow.